Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed that fine lines are appearing sooner than you expected? Or felt your skin losing its healthy glow before its time? Premature skin aging may be more common than you think. But what really causes this process? And more importantly, what can we do to prevent it? Today, we will unravel the main mysteries behind premature aging of the skin on your face and show you how you can keep your skin young and radiant for longer. It is normal for the skin to age over time, but some habits can accelerate this process and make you look older than you really are. The good news is that by identifying and avoiding these habits, you can maintain younger and healthier skin for longer. Now I will list the main habits that accelerate skin aging. The first is excessive exposure to the sun. UV radiation is the main cause of premature skin aging, causing wrinkles, blemishes, and loss of elasticity. Smoking. Nicotine restricts blood vessels, reducing the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the skin. In addition, smoking accelerates the degradation of collagen and elastin, proteins that are essential for skin firmness. Lack of sleep. During sleep, the skin regenerates and repairs the damage caused during the day. Lack of sleep can lead to the appearance of dark circles, eye bags, and a paler, more tired skin tone. Poor diet. A diet rich in processed foods, sugar, and saturated fat can cause inflammation in the body, accelerating skin aging. Stress. Chronic stress releases hormones that can damage collagen and elastin, in addition to causing inflammation and premature aging. Not removing makeup before bed. Sleeping with makeup on clogs the pores, preventing the skin from breathing and regenerating during the night. Forgetting to use sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential to protect the skin from UV rays, even on cloudy days. Not moisturizing the skin. Hydration is essential to keep the skin soft, elastic, and protected. Excessive use of chemicals. Frequent use of harsh chemicals can irritate the skin, causing redness, flaking, and premature aging. Finally, not taking care of the skin on your neck and chest. These areas tend to age faster than your face, so it's important to include them in your skincare routine. The good news is that we can take action to slow down this process. Here are some simple tips. Use sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. Choose a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and reapply every 2 hours. Moisturize your skin and drink plenty of water. It replenishes the water lost by the skin, leaving it soft and elastic. Hydration is key to maintaining elasticity. Invest in a diet rich in antioxidants. Eat plenty of proteins, fruits, vegetables, greens, and whole grains that help fight free radicals. Practice relaxation techniques. Getting a good night's sleep and taking care of your mental health directly affects your skin. Consult a dermatologist. A dermatologist can help you create a personalized skincare routine and identify any skin problems. Remember, prevention is the best medicine. By adopting healthy habits and taking care of your skin, you can delay aging and maintain a youthful, radiant appearance for longer. A well-established skincare routine is essential to maintaining a youthful, healthy appearance. But with so much information available, it can be difficult to know where to start. Let's demystify the process and help you create a personalized routine. The importance of a skincare routine. The skin, the largest organ in the human body, plays a fundamental role in protecting against external agents and maintaining body temperature. In addition to these vital functions, the skin also reflects our health and well-being, being a true calling card. Therefore, investing in a skincare routine is essential to ensure a healthy, radiant appearance. A well-established skincare routine goes far beyond aesthetics. It provides several benefits for skin health, such as preventing diseases, delaying aging, and increasing self-esteem. Each step of the routine plays a crucial role in this process. Why is a skincare routine important? Preventing diseases. Well-cared-for skin is less likely to develop diseases such as acne, eczema, and other dermatological problems. Delaying aging. By protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals and other external aggressors, the care routine helps to delay aging and keep the skin looking younger. Increasing self-esteem. Healthy, beautiful skin contributes to greater self-esteem and emotional well-being. Improved skin tone and texture. A skincare routine helps to even out skin tone, reduce blemishes, and improve texture, providing a smoother and more luminous appearance. Investing in a skincare routine is very important for your health and well-being. By adopting healthy habits and using the right products, you will be providing your skin with everything it needs to stay healthy and radiant for many years. And remember, your skincare routine is an individual process and can vary from person to person. Consult a dermatologist for personalized guidance and to choose the most suitable products for your skin type. What are the basic steps of a skincare routine? Cleansing. Every morning, cleanse your face with a gentle cleansing gel or foam to remove sebum accumulated overnight. And every night, remove all makeup and impurities with a makeup remover and then wash your face with a cleanser. Toning. Balances the skin's pH, removes the last traces of impurities, and prepares the skin for the next products. Treatment. Serum. Concentrated in active ingredients that treat specific problems such as blemishes, wrinkles, acne, or dehydration. Eye cream. Hydrates the delicate skin around the eyes and combats signs of aging. Hydration. Facial moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer suited to your skin type to maintain hydration and protect the skin barrier. Sun protection. Apply a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. How to create a personalized routine. Know your skin type: normal, dry, oily, or combination. Each type has specific needs. Identify your problems: acne, blemishes, wrinkles, dehydration. Choose the right products. Read the labels and look for ingredients that meet your needs. Be consistent. Use the products daily for best results. Consult a dermatologist. They will be able to advise you on the best products and treatments for your skin. Extra tips. Exfoliation. Remove dead cells once a week for more radiant skin. Facial masks. Use hydrating, nourishing, or purifying facial masks once a week. Healthy diet. A balanced diet reflects on the health of your skin. Internal hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside. Quality sleep. Sleep is essential for skin regeneration. Want to discover more secrets to rejuvenating your health? Subscribe to our channel and get ready to fall in love with your new skincare routine. Oh, and don't forget to share with 3 friends so they can transform their skin too. Thanks for watching.